This is solid wood. So solid wood is really good finish. It looks nice and warm, goes really well with a country style kitchen, something like a shaker style. You do need to look after it. It's a natural product. So like your garden furniture, you need to oil it, and you do so every 6 months, especially paying attention to the wet areas. Can't put hot things on it, but if you do and you mark it, because it's a natural product, you can sand it and you can retreat it, so it can last forever. And it comes in loads of really nice colours now. So this is quartz. This is my favourite type of worktop. Made to measure, comes in 2 thicknesses, 20mm and 30mm. It's a natural product but with stone resin in the top. So it is a sealed surface, you don't need to use a stone guard on it. So it's very, very hard wearing. You can do cool things like waterfall ends on it. You can have drainer grooves, you can have undermount sinks. You will see the join on it because it is a natural product. And again, comes in loads of colours. This is granite. So granite is a made-to-measure surface. So it's one of the premium surfaces that we sell. Every piece of granite is unique, so when you pick a colour, you'll get a unique piece that nobody else has got. It does need to be treated, so because it's a product which is just dug out of the ground, cut, polished and then put on your worktop, it is a porous surface. So you do need to put a stone guard on it to repel any stains and things. But it's really nice, made-to-measure, premium, comes in pretty much any size as well. So this is Corian. Now Corian comes in loads and loads of colours. From a designer's point of view, it's absolutely awesome. You can do some really, really cool stuff that you can't do with other worktops. So we do moulded sinks, you can do break fronts on here, you can do moulded up stands, which you can't do with any other type of worktop, and you can even do moulded splashbacks on this as well. So what it's based on is a 12mm thick top surface, and it's MDF underneath. As I say, with the corners and things, everything is moulded, so it looks like it's one continuous piece, and the colours, absolutely excellent. It does come at a premium price, but it's the only one you can do these kind of things with. So this is Minerva. I've got this at home. I really like this type of worktop. The main reason I got it is because the joins are inconspicuous. It's very hygienic, and if you rub your hand along the joins, you can't feel it, and sometimes you can't see it as well. It comes in a couple of types. So the Minerva is 25mm. It comes in a mezzo, which is 20mm. Same material. Some colours are the same, some colours are different. And then we have a slightly cheaper version of it, which has got chipboard underneath, and it has the stone resin 6mm on top. The only downside of this is you can't do curved corners, and you wouldn't really want to put drainer grooves in it because it's only got a 6mm surface on it. But really nice product, that, loads of colours, good price point as well. So this is a compact laminate. The compact laminate is 12.5mm thick. It's really hard wearing. You can do undermounted sinks on it. It's heat proof up to 180 degrees. Scratch proof and waterproof as well. This isn't made to measure. This comes in set lengths, and then our fitters will cut it on site. This is a laminate surface. This is going to be the best price surface that we sell. Comes in a couple of thicknesses. It's chipboard underneath, and it's laminated on the top to look like other types of worktop. So it's the best price point that we do. Comes in a shiny finish, comes in a matte finish. Matte finishes tend to be harder wearing than the gloss finish worktops. When it's joined, it can be generally fitted by most kitchen fitters. You have colour fill, which goes in the join, and then bolts that go underneath.